to Fitness Notion YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 physical activities to become fit and active the whole day. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to Fitness Notion channel for future updates. Your body moved naturally as a child, and you didn't give it a second thought when you were playing games, swinging from the monkey bars, jogging around the park, and playing soccer with friends were all part of growing up in a physically active environment. For adults who find the prospect of working up a sweat depressing, it may be time to consider creative ways to stay active that will make them feel like they're still children. Physical activity of moderate intensity should be performed for 150 to 300 minutes per week by adults. Getting started with just 30 minutes each day will put you right in the midst of that range. Yet nobody wants to struggle through half an hour of their day doing something they despise. Enjoyable physical activities will yield the best results, and you'll want to do them again and again. A selection of activities that will get your heart pounding, while also injecting a little bit of fun into your schedule is provided in the following section. It's time to get to work. Number 10. Walking running games. A simple and accessible form of exercise. Taking a stroll or jogging around the neighborhood can become monotonous after a short time. If you want to turn your walk or run into an experience, there are numerous applications available for download. When you play Zombies Run, you'll find yourself in the thick of a zombie apocalypse, chasing after you as you try to gather supplies for your settlement. When you play a geocaching game, such as Ingress or Pokemon Go, you are asked to interact with virtual things that have been put in your physical environment. Number 9. Dance party. What time last year was the last time you danced to your favorite music? Turn up the volume on your music, let your hair down, close the curtains if you have particularly inquisitive neighbors, and get moving. It will only take you roughly 8 songs to complete your 30-minute workout, so make sure you choose your best bangers to get your heart pumping quickly. Number 8. Build your own workout. If getting to a gym class, or paying for one, is preventing you from exercising, don't panic. You can reap the same benefits from a home workout instead. Make use of the healthier that has already been prepared. Workouts that make you happier, or create your own schedule of single exercises. Number 7. Frisbee. Getting outside and moving with a friend is as simple as tossing a frisbee. Count the number of times you can throw the frisbee back and forth without dropping it, and make it more of a workout by asking them to make you sprint for it. The game of frisbee is a terrific way to be physically active. It makes no difference if you throw a bit off course. The further you throw, the more you have to run. Number 6. Catch and kick. If you are a parent of children, you are well aware that keeping them entertained can take precedence over caring after your own well-being at times. Take kids to the park to kick a footy or throw a ball back and forth, and you'll have killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Once everyone has gotten a little practice in their kicking, throwing, and catching techniques, take things to the next level by asking them to throw or kick long and force you to run for your life. Number 5. Take the stairs. If you want to engage the primary muscle groups in your legs and glutes, use the stairs rather than the escalator or lift. It's an ancient trick that works well, although using the stairs whenever possible may not appear to be the most exciting workout option. Doing so might help you get a surprising amount of movement into your day. In fact, if you get hooked on stair climbing, you might even consider turning professional. Number 4. Walking meetings. A walking meeting might be held every day if your job requires a high volume of meetings. Instead of sitting in suffocating office rooms, take a walk to a neighboring park, or even simply the walkway, and get some exercise while you discuss business. When you're outside during the day, don't forget to slip, slop, slap, seek, and slide. Number 3. Dance class. Swing dancing, tap dancing, ballet, or salsa dancing are just a few of the many diverse types of dance that will elevate your heart rate and test your coordination and agility skills. You may sign up for most dance courses on a one-time or term basis, allowing you to experiment with different styles for a few months before settling on one. Number 2. Slide roll down a hill and run back up. A cardboard box lying around the house would be perfect for this. Sliding down a hill has never been more fun. Additionally, you'll burn calories as you sprint back uphill after getting a rush from whooshing down the hill. In the event that you're not interested in embracing your inner child and rolling down the hill yourself, you can wrap your children in a blanket and drag them down the hill while you sprint back up the other side. Both of you will enjoy yourself, and they will have a good time. Number 1. Take your dog to a doggy meetup. Walking the dog is a popular way for many Queenslanders to get their daily steps in. As a dog owner, you can add some variety to your routine by bringing your dog along to a dog meetup, where you can meet other dog lovers and go for a walk, jog or hike in the company of your canine companion. Here are a few more. Experiment with a yoga arm balance. If you've been under the impression that yoga is all about gentle flows and deep breaths, you've been wrong all along. Arm balances require core, arm, and shoulder strength, as well as the kind of concentration that yoga is known for cultivating. Begin with something simple and dedicate some time each week to improving your strength and stamina. Shopping. Shopping may not seem like a physical activity, but it can add a significant number of steps to your daily routine if done properly. Consider taking the long route between stores the next time you need to pick up a few things, perhaps stopping to do a little window shopping on the way. Getting bonus points for parking farther away from the entrance or walking to and from the shops will earn you more points overall. Learn a musical instrument. Making music can be a beneficial form of physical activity, depending on the instrument you are playing. According to 8700.com.au, playing the guitar burns almost as many kilojoules as weightlifting, while playing the drums or being a member of a marching band both require significant amounts of physical energy. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.